What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best dehumidifiers for your bathroom. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. Paul Schmidt. Maintaining good humidity in the air is not limited to the basement and living room. If you have humidity problems in small rooms or spaces such as the basement or bathroom, then you don't need to choose an expensive big appliance. A compact and efficient model like the Paul Schmidt MD500 might appeal to you. First of all, know that the Paul Schmidt MD500 is only effective for small spaces. So keep in mind that its use is limited to a room not exceeding 9.3 square meters or 100 square feet. If you can keep it in a small room, you don't have to worry about its performance. Sold at a low price, below $50, this device has some basic features found in higher-end models. Its dimension is very compact. It measures 11.18 by 6.38 by 5.2 inches, which means that it is not difficult to find a place for it to install it. Also, it weighs just a pound. Expected dehumidification capacity of 296 milliliters per day. Its tank can take up to 16 ounces or 473 milliliters of water at each cycle. What that means is you will need to empty it frequently. Number 4. Ivation Desiccant Dehumidifier. This Ivation model is a desiccant type of dehumidifier, although it has several advanced features mostly available in electric models which utilize a compressor. It is particularly designated for spaces in motion, such as bathrooms in recreational vehicles. Sudden movement activates the anti-tilting automatic shutoff feature to avoid spillage when the RV is in motion. It has a dehumidification rate of 208 ounces per day, which can cover spacious bathrooms measuring up to 270 square feet, in temperature as low as 0.56 degrees Celsius. The included water tank has a capacity of 61 ounces with continuous drainage facilitated by a drain hose. There are multiple settings including variable fan speed, screen brightness, timer, and sleep mode, which can be activated or adjusted on the user-friendly LCD panel. A built-in humidistat keeps track of humidity levels at increments of 5%, while the automatic restart function comes in handy after a power outage. The noiseless operation and the durable, washable air filter are additional benefits of owning this dehumidifier. Number 3. Afloia. Do you need a dehumidifier to improve the air quality in your RV bathroom and for one of the floors in your home without having to spend on a high-end device? For a good compromise between size and efficiency, opt for the Afloia X3. The Afloia X3 is a practical dehumidifier for medium to large-sized areas. It is rather effective for a smaller format device. Its many features allow you to adjust it so that it can meet your needs. The Afloia X3 is designed for a moderate area. It makes the ambient air simpler by reducing the humidity level in an area of up 430 square feet, or 40 m². This helps to reduce the size of this device slightly so that it takes up a little less space in your rooms. However, this in no way affects its effectiveness. It can remove up to 224 ounces or 6.6 liters of water that is in the air you breathe. Its tank is, however, slightly small with its capacity of 67.6 ounces or 2 liters. This implies that you have to empty it regularly if the humidity level in your home is high. Number 2. Renewable Mini Dehumidifier. If you are looking for an affordable rechargeable, super quiet dehumidifier that will save you money on power bills and replacement batteries while keeping your 333 square foot bathroom dry, EvaDry E333 is your best option. It is a desiccant type of dehumidifier which uses silica gel in a plastic frame to remove water from the air through adsorption and does not include a water tank at all. Once the silica gel is saturated with moisture, the crystals change color from orange to green. You can monitor this change through the display on the side. Previous versions would turn from blue to pink. Once this happens, plug the unit into power to recharge it for about 8 to 10 hours, a process that will heat up the silica gel to discharge the moisture collected. It is advisable to recharge this unit in a well-ventilated different room from the one you are trying to dehumidify so the moisture does not recirculate. It removes 8 to 10 ounces of moisture from the atmosphere and can last up to a month before it requires recharging, and up to 10 years before necessitating replacement. In more humid conditions, it can reach its capacity faster, which will still be a couple of weeks, thus convenient. This model is suitable for small and less humid bathrooms with coverage of 333 square feet. It runs noiselessly, and there is no risk of mechanical breakdowns because it does not have moving parts. Many customers have praised its performance and longevity. Number 1. Breeze Dehumidifier. This model features thermoelectric Peltier technology which transfers heat from one end of the dehumidifier to the other end via electrical energy. It covers a room of 150 square feet and can extract 9 ounces of water from the atmosphere in a day, which makes it ideal for small bathrooms. At a dimension of 6.5 by 5.3 by 8.5 inches, its compact size and power cord length of 6 feet give you more flexibility when installing it in restricted spaces. The water tank has a capacity of 16 ounces, so you will only need to empty it every 2 days if the humidity levels are not high. An LED indicator light notifies you once the tank is full, and the unit automatically shuts down to prevent overflowing of water. Since Peltier technology does not consist of a compressor, the dehumidifier runs reasonably quietly. The 25W adapter is ETL certified for energy efficiency when preventing overheating. The manufacturer recommends cleaning of the unit after every 7 days with a smooth fabric for the exterior and a swift brush for the air inlet grills. Ensure you empty the tank regularly because this unit cannot be connected with a hose to an external drainage. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.